This warning has been issued by the Oxfordshire County Police Department. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil danger warning has been issued by the Oxfordshire County Police Department. Please listen to this following message, as it might save your life. We have received very alarming emergency calls by citizens claiming to have seen what looked like to be a UFO crashing from the sky. The area around where the alleged first aircraft had crash landed has been closed off. No one is allowed except for verified personnel. We have even received reports of other aircrafts flying around before disappearing, causing mass panic across the entire country. We urge citizens to not panic. We had already informed Your Majesty's government about this issue. Multiple video evidence and sightings have been posted all over social media sites. We urge citizens to report any suspicious activities to your local authorities. As of this moment, we highly recommend to stay vigilant. If you do see an unrecognizable aircraft landing, do not go anywhere near it and call your local authorities immediately. We advise avoiding going out at night alone, as most of the sightings were during the time when it's dark outside. As of now, no contact has been made with another form of life. Stay tuned for any further broadcasts. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.